Hey there, streamers. Ever struggled with your audio setup and wondered how to fix Stream Mix in Wavelink? If you're using Wavelink to manage your audio seamlessly but encounter issues, worry no more. This comprehensive guide will walk you through essential steps to resolve common problems and optimizing your stream mix. Let's dive in to ensure you're delivering top-notch audio quality to your audience. Step 1. Check your input sources. Before diving into complex troubleshooting, start with the basics. Make sure all your audio input sources are properly connected and recognized by the Wavelink software. Navigate to the input settings and verify that your microphone, auxiliary devices, and other audio sources appear in the list. If any source is missing, double-check the physical connections and device settings to ensure everything is correctly configured. Reconnecting or adjusting device settings often resolves many simple input issues. Step 2. Adjust audio levels. Once you've confirmed your input sources, the next step is to adjust your audio levels. Open Wavelink and ensure that each input source reflects desirable sound levels. Use the sliders to balance your microphone, background music, and any other audio sources. Avoid peaking, which causes distortion, by keeping levels out of the red zone. Remember, listeners appreciate clear audio, so take your time here to get it right. This fine-tuning is crucial for a professional-sounding stream. Step 3. Eliminate unwanted noise. Reducing background noise is key for high-quality streaming. First, identify where any unwanted noise might be originating. Is it your microphone picking up your computer fan? Or perhaps distant chatter in your environment? Use Wavelink's built-in audio filters, such as noise gates and suppressors. These tools can help you minimize ambient sounds, ensuring your main audio input remains clear and undistracted. Don't forget to test your setup to confirm the adjustments are effective. Step 4. Monitor and record a test stream. Before going live, monitor your audio setup by recording a test stream. Listen to the playback carefully, in particular noting any irregularities in audio output. Use the Stream Mix feature to adjust how your audio will sound to your audience. If issues persist, revisit previous steps and tweak settings accordingly. This preliminary check is vital to maintaining high production standards and ensuring a smooth live streaming experience. Step 5. Update your software and drivers. Finally, check for any available updates for Wavelink and your audio driver. Using outdated software can lead to bugs and performance issues. Keeping everything up to date can often resolve lingering problems that aren't addressed by typical troubleshooting methods. Visit Elgato's official site or use the Wavelink app to search for the latest updates and enhancement that could improve your setup further. With these steps, you're now equipped with the knowledge of how to fix Stream Mix in Wavelink. Whether it's connecting input sources, balancing audio levels, reducing noise, or ensuring everything is up to date, you'll find these solutions make a world of difference to your streaming quality. Remember, practice and patience are key. By applying these tips consistently, you'll deliver exceptional audio that keeps your audience coming back for more. Now, go ahead and stream confidently with crystal clear sound.